Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn about Introduction to SQL. Introduction to SQL. SQL stands for Structured Query Language. It is used to store, retrieve and manage data in a relational database. SQL work with tables made of rows and columns. It is used to website, app, business and data analysis. SQL has a different types of commands for different tasks like creating tables, adding data and retrieving data. What is SQL? SQL is a structured query language. It is a standard language used in interacting with relational databases. Developed by IBM in the 1970s, SQL became a standard for database communication. SQL allows to create, read, update and delete CRUD data. Why use SQL? SQL is used by data analysis, software developers and database admins. It helps retrieving and organizing large amount of data efficiently. SQL is supported by major databases like MySQL, PostgreSQL, SQL servers, Oracle, etc. The basic SQL commands are select, insert, update, delete, create table, where. See one by one. Select. Select is used to retrieve data from one or more columns in the table. You can select all columns with star or specific column by name. The syntax for select is select column 1, column 2 from table name. For example, select name, age from employees. Next, insert. Insert is used to add a new row or record into a table. You specify which column you want to fill and the values for them. Syntax for the insert is insert into table name, column 1, column 2, values, value 1, value 2. For example, insert into employee, name, age, value Sarah 32. Next, update. Update is command used to change existing information in a table, like correcting or updating a mistake in your notes. Syntax for update is update table name, set column 1 equal to value 1, where condition semicolon. Example, update employees, set age equal to 29, where name equal to John, semicolon. Delete. Delete command is used to remove information from a table, like erasing something you no longer need. Syntax, delete from table name, where condition semicolon is after the query, semicolon is compulsory. For example, delete from employees where age less than 25, semicolon. Create table, used to make a new table in the database, like creating a new sheet to store information. Syntax for create table is create table name, column name, data type, column 2 data type, semicolon. Example, create table product ID integer, product name var-char 100, price decimal 10,2, semicolon. Where command is used to filter records based on conditions like equals, greater than, less than, etc. You can combine conditions with and or. Syntax for where, select the column from table name where condition. For example, select star from employees where condition is age greater than 30 and name like S, means start with the S character, semicolon. SQL in real life. Web application use SQL to store user accounts and product data. E-commerce sites use it to track inventory and sales. Healthcare systems store patient record in the SQL databases. Banking apps use SQL for transaction history and customer data. Conclusion. We learn some important SQL commands like select to view data, delete, remove a data, update to change a data, create table to make a new tables, where to filter data. This command helps us manage and control data in a database. They are the basic of working with SQL. By practicing these, you can start creating and handling your own databases. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please like, comment and subscribe. See you in the next video. Thank you.